With payroll in Xero, paying employees' super contributions is a simple, automated process. In just a few clicks, your super payments can be created, authorised and paid. To get started, as a payroll administrator, go to Payroll and Superannuation. Click Get Started to begin the process. Review the organisation details. These are pulled through from your organisation settings. Choose the authoriser who will approve payments from this drop-down. Payroll administrators in the organisation will show here. Add their phone number, then hit Next. Select the bank account that's used for direct debits of super payments. Finally, make sure you've clicked through and read these terms and conditions. They'll show as viewed once you have. Tick the disclaimer to confirm, then register. Once registered, the nominated authoriser will receive an email from the Xero team to confirm the successful completion of the process. Now, you'll be able to process all employees' super payments in one go. Select Add Super Payment and choose the lines to pay from the list of posted pay runs. You can filter this list by employee, super fund, employee group and due dates, using these options along the top. When you're ready, click Submit for approval. Back in the superannuation screen, the payment batch will show as pending approval. Your nominated authoriser will receive a text from Xero with the authorisation code, which is valid for 24 hours. We'll also send them an email letting them know we sent a text. The code received will only work when the authoriser logs in with their own Xero credentials to authorise the super payment. Once logged in, the authoriser can select the payment, which is pending approval. Review the list, and if everything is in order, approve. Next, enter the authorisation code received in the text and approve and submit. The payment details are then sent off to our third-party superannuation clearinghouse, who will direct debit the total amount payable and make the distributions to your employees' super funds. After the super payments have been made, you will have spent items showing in your bank account. Reconcile these using the Create tab to the superannuation payable liability account that's set up in your organisation. For more details, check out our Help Centre article on superannuation in Xero.